Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Seyvum 20 volt cordless impact wrench, stepless, speed change, power motor, extra long endurance, brake stop, 20 volt max cordless impact, IWBL12. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and like. So help out this channel by doing so. Big shout out to Seyvum for sending us this tool to see if it works or see if it doesn't work. 20 volt DC, 3 amp hour battery, rated voltage 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, rated no low speed, 0 to 3000 RPM, maximum clamping. It's half an inch drive basically. So start here. We do have some instructions. We do have some register now for the sockets, because you want to put this around the sockets. Set this aside. Next thing we have is a bag. It's an okay bag. Alright, next thing out of the box, we got the battery. This is a 3 amp hour 20 volt max battery. It says power share, no gauge. We got Seyvum 20 volt max lithium 3 amp hour 60 watt hours, made in China. BMF C211513 Seyvum. The standard lock. We do have 1, 2, 3 different connectors, and then we do have a battery, so you can charge the battery through there. We got the charger. We got 2 indentations there if you guys want to hang this on your garage. You got Seyvum BCMF C211513. We got input or output 20 volt 1.8 amps. Lithium ion charger, input 100 to 240 volts, 60 to 60 hertz, made in China. We got 3 different connectors there. We got battery charging, or red, and then green is battery charged. We got some sockets. Not the best quality, but they do work. They seem to be fairly good fitment. They're capable of unlocking with the pin detent. All the sockets are. We got 19, 17, 20 millimeter. It says chrome vanadium. So it's nice that they included at least some sockets in the kit. We got 21 millimeter. All right, we got the tool itself. It's a Seyvum. Got a lot of rubber. Oh, this black part is rubber. The red is plastic. It does say brushless there. It says 320 foot-pounds, 430 Newton meters, 0 to 3000 RPM, half an inch brushless motor. We got IWBL12. Have a rubber stop there. Metal casting, metal. All this is metal. A lot of breathable vents, more vents on this side. It looks like we do have a light, maybe an LED light. Overall, nice trigger. It says BL, brushless, standing for brushless. We do have some settings down here. We got low and high. We got bare brake stop, so it does have some sort of brake stop maybe when you're loosening, positive and negative. And then finally, we do have a pin for the sockets, in case you want to put the pin detent in there. All right, so right now we're at low, high. Oh, this seems to be pretty good. Got to test this out. All right, so that is low, high, and it tells you the battery there. We do have 2 bars on the battery, so we're gonna put this on the charger. A lot of ventilation here. I can feel the air. So we'll go ahead and throw this on the charger, and then we'll put this outside and put it to the test. See if it'll take some lug nuts off. All right, so we got this car here. We're gonna take off the lug nuts. So we're on reverse. Put it back on. Go ahead and tighten this up. We're gonna take it off, see what it did. Take it off this way. It did 89.4. So we're going to torque this back to 90 foot-pounds. Alright, we're just about 90 foot-pounds. Easy. It's loose. Take it off. We're at 100 foot-pounds, so you're pretty much safe with this for a car, but for a car it works fine. Should be good. For the DIY for a car, it should be fine. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.